Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is saying, you have reached a level where you have my ear. Ask and I shall provide. Write down on your list of manifestations, affirmations, what you want. What are the gifts? What are the results, your needs and wants that you want? And I recommend to you on this page, do not leave any open lines on your page, front to back, right on the sides. Leave no open spaces, because whereas open spaces, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ need to put a filler inside. And therefore, sometimes you might get something and receive something you're not looking for, didn't necessarily ask for. Not saying it'll be negative, but it's not exactly what you're looking for. Fill up your paper to what your needs, so they're fulfilled. Rain, sleet, or snow, you have your needs, and you don't feel wrong for asking. Be bold, because getting this card, they're saying, what do you want? And when a parent says, what do you want, you don't refrain and say, well, I might want. No, ask for the max benefit that will make your heart shine, therefore you'll be happy. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. I assert myself and retain my power. I'm brave and gentle. I don't have to be afraid of others, because you're being trusted. When they're saying, listen, what is your heart desires? Obviously, they can trust that you are going to ask for things that are not only going to be beneficial to you, but it's not going to hurt anyone else. I respect myself. When you respect yourself, you show others how to respect you. Therefore, you're respected by others. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.